I'm going to show you guys how to promote CPA offer in the CPA grade for free. This is good for beginners. If you're a beginner and you want to try CPA work, this is one of the best platform that you can use. This is the only option, or this is the best option for you to use for free, which will help you to promote your links in order to get more traffic. Okay, so today we are going to use three platforms. I'm going to introduce to three websites that we are going to combine to get this free traffic. Okay, so first of all, this is the CPA grade. Okay, so if you don't have CPA grade account, just check the description of this video. I have a video on how to create your own account. Okay, so after you create your account, you just see this office. So we have office here, and as you can see, I have connected to United States because this is the place where the CPA, the amount there is very high. So as you can see, this one is enter for 4,500 cash, and the payout is what, $1. Okay, so as you compare, this is net click rate is what, 11%, this is 9%. So we just have to scroll down and check any of these products that you want to these offers are in US, so you have to get a US traffic source so that you get it collect for them. The offer that I'm going to promote is enter for $500 cash out gift card. Okay, and the payout for this one is what, 3.42 cents, okay, in the United States, and then the click is what, 4.30. that is the net click rate is good. So you just have to click on this offer here, and then when it opens like this, what, get 4,500 cash now. Okay, so United States, and this is to be done in US area location. And then this is my link, so I will be copying this link. Or so before we go on, if you don't have Quora, okay, you will be using Quora. So if you don't have Quora, so you just have to create a Quora account. Okay, so Quora simply is a platform where people come to ask questions, and then people also give them the questions. So we are going to take this opportunity because this platform is mostly participated by the Europeans. Is also part of the country that also participate in this platform. So we are going back to our CPA. So this is our account. We will just copy this link. So after copying this link, as you can see, the link is too long, so we need to just shorten this link. Okay, so you just go to URL shortener. Okay, you just go to URL shortener, and you just have to shorten your link there. Okay, you just go to URL shortener, and then you try to shorten your link. Already shorten the link, so you just have to copy the link. Now after you copy the link, you just have to go to Quora.com. okay, this is Quora.com. now after if you don't have Quora account, you just create one. Okay, now after you just have to search how to make money online for free. Okay, so you just search here how to make money online for free. Okay, so you get a whole lot of questions. Okay, so how to make online for free, how make money online for free. Okay, so we can answer this question, and then after we answer, we can add our link there so that any person who read this question can also get our answer. So as you can see, what is the easiest but yet the fastest way to make money online? So I would like to answer this question and then add my link to this. So after this one, you just go to answer. Just have to, after you hit, you have to hold what is the easiest but yet the fastest way to make money online. So I just want to promote my affiliate link here. Okay, so my CPA link here. So just have to answer this question. So all that you have to do is that you just go to Chrome, you just go to Google, okay, and search. I just want to open a new how to make money, how to make free money online. So you just click on that, how to make free money online. Okay, so you get a whole lot of ideas here. As you can see, 25 smart ways to make money while free online money. Okay, so as you can, here are some of the 10 legit ways to make money online. So you can pick any of these, okay, and then you try to make some changes. Okay, so I have already compiled mine. So as you can see, here are the the legit ways to make money online fast. Okay, the legit way to make money online fast. Okay, all right, so just have to save this one. Now after that, now I have my answers to the questions that the person is asking, so I just have to copy all these things and paste it there. Okay, so I'll just copy and paste it there. Copy like this. Okay, then you go to Quora question, so or you just paste the question here, the answer to the question. So as you can see, so this is the question: what is the easiest but the yet the fastest way to make money online? And then here are the legit ways to make money online for free. After you just type your answers to the question here, so you just write you could enter this 500 US dollar cash app giveaway. So this is what this free, okay, $500 giveaway. So come down and then you paste your link. Okay, you just paste the link there. So after typing your question and then you pasted your link, you just click on submit to submit your answers. So guys, this is how you can promote your CPA grade affiliate links. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. See you. Bye.